In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Gatsbi Reviewer for a meta-analysis. The overall workflow is very similar to the systematic review workflow. The key difference is that, when starting the project, we need to select meta-analysis while entering the research topic. Just like in the systematic review workflow, you can optionally choose Configure Review Protocol to customize the research questions, search keywords, inclusion and exclusion criteria, and other protocol details. For this demo, we'll skip it and let Gatsbi automatically generate the necessary information during the process. Click Send to begin. Gatsbi will now automatically search for relevant studies, apply filtering, and screen the results based on your research topic. This process may take a few minutes. Once completed, Gatsbi will generate a summary for you to review. It will also return a list of screened studies, so you can manually review the results and further decide which studies should be included in the meta-analysis. After reviewing and refining the included studies, click the Synthesize button. Gatsbi will begin the synthesis process for the meta-analysis. This step may take longer, because the system will attempt to download and read the full papers to extract the data needed for quantitative synthesis. After that, it generates a coded table of included studies. This table includes the outcomes identified from the studies, the corresponding effect size measures, and the original data extracted from the papers. You can review and edit the coded data before moving forward. You can also click Manage Outcomes to modify or customize the outcomes, or add a study manually if the system missed an important paper that should be included. For each outcome, Gatsbi generates a corresponding forest plot. In this interface, the forest plot data is also displayed in a table format, making it easier to review the extracted values and identify any unreasonable or incorrect data points. You can remove inappropriate data or make adjustments before generating the final manuscript. Once the coded data and forest plot results have been reviewed, click Write a Paper Manuscript. Gatsbi will generate a complete structured manuscript for the meta-analysis. The manuscript includes the necessary academic sections. It also includes key meta-analysis components such as heterogeneity analysis, pooled effect estimates, forest plots, publication bias analysis where applicable, and the final reference list. You can export the manuscript and continue reviewing and editing it before using it in your research workflow. This is the meta-analysis workflow in Gatsbi Reviewer. With Gatsbi, you can move from research topic to study screening, coded data extraction, statistical synthesis, and manuscript drafting in a single integrated workflow.